As a professional race car driver, I live for speed, power, and performance on and off the track. That's why I use the Dixie Chopper, the world's fastest lawnmower. Race into your local dealership today and test drive a new Dixie Chopper.
I stopped out to the hotel properties at Chillicothe's North Plaza Boulevard, where they'll host the inaugural North Plaza Christmas Village this Sunday from 5 to 8 p.m. The event is free and open to the public. Katrina Horsley and Pamela McCorkle talk about the family fun experiences they're preparing.
So at the Quality Inn Christopher Conference Center, we will be handing out passports that you'll want to take and present at each station. And when they come in, you'll have a reindeer food station that the kids will make magic reindeer food to take with them. We will have reindeer games for them to play with prizes to win. Santa arrives at 6 p.m., so we're excited about that. And there's many photo ops that the families can come in and take family photos with different backgrounds.
And then you'll leave here and go where?
You can choose to go to the Riverview Conference Center, which is attached to the Christopher Inn Hotel, just right behind here. You can take a stroll through Candyland, and Flossie's Sweet Tooth will be there to offer cotton candy, as well as a full candy bar for all of the kids visiting Candyland. We have also partnered with a local organization that's going to come in and offer face painting, so it's going to be a great time. Maybe hop on over to the Fairfield Inn and Suites and see Whoville, along with Max, Cindy Lou, and the Grinch, of course. Photo ops with all, and a kids' tattoo station as well.
And at the plaza is Santa's workshop, so there will be different activities for the kids to make projects there that they can take with them. You may even see Santa's office, which is kind of nice in that section. Then once you leave there, you might want to go back to the Hampton Inn, where Mrs. Claus will be there to help you decorate cookies that you're welcome to take with you.
You've pretty much covered the gamut, huh?
Yes. There also will be food trucks back in front of the plaza as well.
There's been a lot of work put into this, and I'm sure that each one of the properties, you've had a lot of brainstorming and coming up with ideas. What was that like?
It's a lot of fun. We've got a lot of very creative members on our staffs, that's for sure, and just a lot of time and energy put into this, and we can't wait to showcase what we've done here for the community to be able to come out and see what we're about.
Yeah. I know in some of the destinations people travel to, like Nashville, there's these big hotels and they all have something special they put in. Is that what started this idea?
We really wanted a fun and creative way to showcase our meeting facilities. We have several rooms available for many different style of events, spaces that can seat 10 people up to 220 people. And we just felt this was a great opportunity for us to get the community in, showcase those spaces, as well as give back to the community.
And part of that giving back is through food donations and more, right?
Yes. So it is a free event. However, we are accepting non-perishable foods as well as unwrapped toys that we will be given to local organizations after the event for the holidays.
I got a feeling that this has lifted the spirits of the staff as well.
Yes, a lot of just really gotten involved, and it's been great for everyone to be able to showcase their creativity. Local businesses, so many support us here within our hotel families. And we see that side all the time. We see, all the local businesses that come in and use us for hospitality, but the community may not know, what we're about and what we have to offer as far as to be able to put on an event like this, to plan your next gathering or corporate events. We're looking forward to it. It's going to be a great night for families, a great night for all of us.
While each of the properties are within walking distance, Black Hawk Transportation will provide a shuttle to assist visitors to each of the hotels if so desired. To learn more, contact Event Coordinator Jacki Merritt, 740-775-3500. Dan Ramey, Litter Media.